Hello everyone, I welcome you all to today's discussion session wherein we are going to discuss the CAT 23 paper, the slot 2 paper particularly, CAT 23 slot 2 paper, the QA section. So as you all know, we had 22 questions. Let K be the largest integer such that the equation x minus 1 the whole square plus 2kx plus 11 equal to 0 has no real roots. So by the way, what is the significance of this no real roots? So no real roots basically means your discriminant should be less than 0, discriminant of this equation. But first we need to have the equation in the standard form. Let's try to write that. So let's expand this bracket. So x minus 1 whole square will be x square plus 1 minus 2x plus 2kx plus 11 equal to 0. Let's simplify. So this is x square. When I take x common, or rather we can also take 2x common. So we'll be left with k minus 1, 2kx minus 2x plus 1 plus 11 will be 12. So this is your quadratic equation and this should have no real roots. So if this has no real roots, this directly means what? The discriminant d should be less than 0. So what is the discriminant value? The discriminant value I'm sure we all know. For ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, the discriminant is b square minus 4ac. Correct? For this equation, the discriminant value is, so it should be negative for the equation to have non-real roots. So what is discriminant? It is b square. So 2 into k minus 1 the whole square minus 4a is 1c should be less than 0. Now let's simplify. So I can pull out this 2 square outside. So when I pull out the 2 square outside, what do I get? 4. 4 and 4 I can take out common. So I'll be left with k minus 1 the whole square. Let's open the brackets. And this is minus 12 less than 0. 4 can go on the other side without impacting the inequality. Please note, because 4 is a non-negative number. If it is negative, then the inequality will be reversed. So this will become k square minus 2k minus 11 should be less than 0. This is what we get. If y is a positive real number, then the least possible value of k upon 4y plus 9y is, y is a positive real number. Then the least possible value of this is how much? We have to figure out the least possible value for this. One more thing, this is the inequality that we got, but what is the value of k? K is the largest integer which satisfies this. Largest possible integer. For example, if I put k equal to 100, this might not satisfy. 100 square is 10,000. Minus 200 will be something positive only. We need to check what will be the value of k. So what is the largest integer value that will satisfy this inequality? Let's check. If I put k equal to 2, let's start with 2. 2 square minus 2 into 2 will cancel out, minus 11. It's negative. That will satisfy. Put k equal to 5. 5 square 25 minus 2 into 5, 10 minus 11. No, it won't satisfy because this is positive now. Let's put k equal to 4. 4 square minus 2 into 4 minus 11. So minus 19 plus 16, yes, it will satisfy. So that means the value of k will be 4. The largest integer which satisfies this inequality, which makes the roots unreal, non-real, will be 4. So we get the value of k here. So once we get the value of k, which is a positive number, what can we say about k by 4y? K by 4y will also be a positive number because y is positive and we just now got the value of k as 4. What will be 9 into y? That will also be positive. So let's apply on this expression, on these two terms, am greater than or equal to gm, arithmetic mean greater than or equal to geometric mean. So when you take arithmetic mean of these two, k, let's write the value, that will be convenient. K is 4. So 4 by 4y, 4 will cancel out, we'll do that later, plus 9y by 2, arithmetic mean is this, should be greater than or equal to square root of 4 by 4y, which is 1 by y, into 9y. Y will also cancel out. Y which was unknown is cancelling out eventually. And hence can I say this expression which is asked. So the expression, if I take 2 on the other side, will be greater than or equal to 2 into. What is left inside on the right hand side? Square root 9, which is 3. So hence the expression will be greater than or equal to 6. So that means what is he asking us? Least possible value of this. So least possible value, as we can see, can be 6. Can be no value lower than that. So my answer for question number 6 happens to be 6. I hope we are clear with this.